As a child, I often wondered why people fall ill and why this illness lingers even after treatment. It is this curiosity and inquisitiveness that drove my passion for discovery and change, informed my course of study, and shaped my career path.
Don't be discouraged by the stones that can be found on the road or the obstacles that try to stop them. I was the first woman in Latin America to achieve advanced NSF certification for file certification of biological safety cabins. I have made my training in the United States together with all men.
Women can bring ideas and work that result in paradigm shifts in the field or in a field. For example, the discovery of CRISPR by Professor Doudna and Charpentier have changed how we do molecular biology work, how we can treat patients in the future. Women are strong and they have the ability to see things differently and bring relevant changes to the society.
I started to work at a medical laboratory, specializing in the diagnostics and research of COVID-19. I was responsible for viral RNA extraction for all sample RNA at the lab. The work hours were long and the risk of infection made it more stressful, but we never lost hope.
Happy International Day to all the women out there.